In this video, I'll quickly detail how to change reminder alert on Apple Watch. So if you have an Apple Watch, whether it is 41mm or 45mm, and you want to change the reminder alert from the default to your choice of alert or available tones in the last session, then this video is going to walk you through. So if I don't know this video, you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now to change calendar alert on Apple Watch, all you just need to do is press the ground once, like this, and then click on the settings icon on the app menu or app library, then scroll down until you get to sound analytics. Now I want to scroll down as well, keep scrolling until you get to reminder alerts. Click on that. Now you have available alert here where you can select or set none as your reminder alert on your Apple Watch. So once you've selected the alert you want to use, just hit the power button and then the alert will be set as your Apple Watch reminder alert. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.